Hawaipur Modular files FIR against ABVP for demanding money. AASAA stages protest in Havarkihat. Good morning viewers and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live, your visual ABVP with the latest news for today. Now the news in detail. In a latest development, Hawaipur Modular has filed an FIR against Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parisad, the youth wing of Bharatiya Janata Party, alleging them of demanding a sum of ₹5 lakh. The case number 149/2020 U/S 448 294, 427, 387 and 34 of the IPC was lodged with Mailu Police Outpost. According to the Mojadar, the incident took on October 15th when the ABVP members, numbering around 5 to 6, entered the house of ex-nominated MEC Devi PD Upadhyay's residence and created trouble and also vandalized his documents at his home, misbehaved, threatened him using obscene language, and FIR was lodged on 16 October. After a case was lodged, a meeting was arranged with the ABVP where the group demanded records of revenue collections of the past 6 months. Another meeting was called by ABVP during which the group again demanded 6 months revenue collection records and ₹5 lakhs was also demanded from him.
Hey case diat amak ji tachar kurise he lora bilake male amak ulta 6 mahor land revenue collection aru 6 mahor ji kagos issue kurise he belagor land revenue collection or adi kori moi jitu komai hitu 6 mahor hisab nikas amak dibo lage bole Chatendra Chauhan aru Pradeep Singhe muk khulam khuli koi muk demand kurise hetu bar muk ekbar nohoy dubar nohoy 3 bar bohatu hetu kotha muk bar hetu taksar kurise.
On the other hand, counter case was also filed against Mojadar Intake, who was also forced to secure anticipatory bail from High Court. The matter has now reached the court and the case will now be decided by the judiciary. Meanwhile, the ABVP Karbi Anglong district has Wednesday issued a clarification that the two persons, Satyendra Chauhan and Pradeep Singh, who has been named in the FIR by Mojadar for demanding money, are not ABVP Karyakartas.
মই শুনা পাইছোঁ যে খেৰুনি ইউনিটত এজন খেৰুনিৰ মজেমদাৰক কিবা কেছ ফাইল কৰিছে বুলি শুনা পাইছোঁ। গতিকে সেইটো আমাৰ ABVPৰ ফালৰ পৰা কোনো ৰেছপনচিবিলিটি নাই। আমি আমাৰ ফালৰ পৰা কোনো ধৰণৰ তথ্য আমি গ্ৰহণ কৰিব পৰা নাই। সিহঁতে আমাৰ কাৰণে কোনো নজনোৱাকৈ তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কাম কৰিছে। আমি আমাৰ কোনো ৰেছপনচিবিলিটি নাই, আমি নাজানো।
Mohanteron's report from Kheroni for Karbi Anglong Live. The Karbi Anglong police had once again foiled the evil plan of smugglers to supply narcotic substances between states. The incident took place on Wednesday when the local police of Dilai conducted a special naka. Acting on a tip-off, a special naka was set up by Dilai Police Station OC Raju Bahadur Chetri, ASI Jiten Gogoi and Dilai PS staff at Dilai Bajar. At about 12:20 p.m., a 6-wheeler truck bearing registration number AS18C4891 was intercepted and on being thoroughly searched, 20 packets of Yaba tablets, total 40,000 Yaba tablets, were recovered inside the cabin of the truck. The police immediately took into custody 3 persons who were inside the truck. They have been identified as 21-year-old Hussein Ahmed, son of Nasir Ahmed from Moirang village under Moirang police station of Bisnupur, Manipur. 20-year-old Nawaz, son of Abdul Noor of Lilong village under Lilong police of Lilong district. 19 years old Wahid, son of Nasir Khan, who is also from Lilong in Manipur. The drugs were seized following procedure of NDPS Act under the physical supervision of SDPO Bokajan John Das. During preliminary interrogation, it was revealed that the quantity of drugs was being taken to Guwahati from Imphal. Police told media persons that the market value of the seized substances would be around 2.4 crores. Bijoy Rongpi's report from the Live for Karbi Anglong Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. More updates after the break. Welcome back after the break. With the aim of intensifying their demands and to make it the core issues, all the Adivasi Students Association of Assam, Hawarkehat Regional Committee staged a protest in Hawarkehat, during which a human chain demonstration was carried out. The demonstration was organized by AASAA Hawarkehat Regional Committee led by its president Jiten Patel and secretary Domku Munda. The protest program was organized to demand immediate fulfillment of their 4 demands, which are ST status, land pattas, increase of wage to rupees 351 per day, and establishment of Adivasi Autonomous Satellite Council dedicated for their welfare and development. AASAA Hawarkehat Regional Committee President Jiten Patel, while speaking to media persons, condemned the ruling BJP government, stating that the Saffron Party had promised to fulfill their demands once coming to power. He said that they were forced to protest as the BJP government had not only failed to fulfill their demands but have never been given any priority even when they are in their second term. He also warned that they will not support BJP in the upcoming state assembly election until any radical steps on their demands are taken by the government.
আমাৰ আদিবাসী জাতিক জনজাতিকৰণ দিয়া কথা আছিলে এছটি চৰকাৰে আজিলৈকে এইটো দিয়া নাই আৰু লগতে আমাৰ যিটো লেণ্ড পাটাবিলাক প্ৰায় হোৱা নাই তাৰপিছত যিটো নেকি আমাৰ বাগানৰ হাজিৰা 351 টকা চৰকাৰে দিম বুলি ঠগিছে এইটো মানে দিব লাগে লগতে আকৌ যোনটো নেকি আমাৰ স্যাটেলাইট কাউন্সিল আদিবাসী স্যাটেলাইট কাউন্সিল দিম বুলি চৰকাৰে ইমান দিন আমাক লালিপপ খুৱাই আছে এইটো হ'ব নালাগে গতিকে আমি চৰকাৰক 2 মাহৰ টাইম দিছোঁ যদি 2 মাহৰ ভিতৰত যদি আমাক এই 4টা যেটো আমি কৈছোঁ যদি পুৰা নকৰে তেনেহলে আমি ভোটৰ সময় ভোট বৰ্জন কৰিম বুলি
Harsing Rongpi's report from Hawarkehat for Karbi Anglong Live. The worsening condition of the road between Holokwa and Koliabil inside the Deopani constituency is making lives of local residents more difficult and is affecting on their future and development. Residents of the area has expressed their deep disappointment over the indifference of the government, stating that lack of repair has led the present condition. While sharing their pain and hardships, local residents say that the bad condition of the road have been aggravated by heavy trucks involved in transportation of sand, boulders and other materials through this route. Villagers told Karbi Anglong Live that, like residents of other villages in the district, in times of medical emergencies, they had to carry sick and ailing persons on their back or locally made stretcher due to the bad condition of the route on which only few are willing to drive. Villagers also stated that prior to election, local MEC Mukut Mahanta had promised assistance and developmental works for the people of the area. But ever since winning election, the local MEC and his followers have not been seen anymore, leaving them to their misery and disappointment. Local residents, while sharing the deprivation, also informed that no one of their village has received ration cards, free houses and other government assistance.
এই রাস্তা বনাই দিব বলি কয় নবনায় এনেকে চলি আছে আজিলৈকে তাতে আছে কোনো মানুহে চোৱা নাই ৰাস্তা পদূলি সব গাড়া কি মনে গাড়ী চলিব নোৱাৰে এনেকে অৱস্থা হৈছে আমাৰ আজি পাৰা নহয় আমি 50 বছৰ হ'ল ইয়াতে থাকা আজিলৈকে একো সুবিধা নাই ৰাস্তা সুবিধা নাই ভাটা 3-4টা মালিক আইবলে কোৰ পৰা কোটি টাকা কমানি কৰি লৈ গৈছে ৰাস্তা আমাৰ 1-3 ফুট গাড়া হ'ল তথাপি আমাৰ চোৱা নাই
The villagers also declared that they would not vote for the current party or candidates in the upcoming 2021 election unless their village gets to see any immediate change or development. Subhas Terang from Langchathing for Karbi Anglong Live. Well, those were the top stories for today. Thank you for your time and thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.